I'm kind of surprised we still got power. But I think the big wires are telephone lines, and the power lines are actually coming from across the road and feeding the houses. So this line doesn't go to my house, which is just 2 houses down. But they definitely took down the big wires, and that's probably why we lost power last night. It tripped a few someplace. Thing is, you can't go over and cut the tree down because it's laying on the power lines, and you don't want to be anywhere near it because it'll induce voltage into it. It's actually capable of pumping juice down into the ground. So, not anything you want to be around.